It is that time again. I need to close out February 2024. Let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If this is your first time here, welcome. I really hope that I say something today that will cause you to subscribe to the channel and become a bestie. If you are a returning bestie and we know each other, welcome back. Let's hop into it. So I'm gonna just keep it 100 and all the way real, because that's the only way I know how to do it. It's gonna be real hard for me to close out the last paycheck in February, because I did not track my expenses well at all. As you can see here, I did not track my expenses. So with that being said, it's gonna be very hard to close out I can close it out, but in terms of me like providing like a what do you call it, in terms of me providing like an actual number, I'm not gonna be able to do that because too much time has passed by. And if you know anything about closeouts, you kind of have to do that closeout like the day that you get paid. Otherwise, for me at least, it doesn't really work out that way. So I just want to close out February. And the way that I'm going to do it, I'm going to close out the last check, and then I will close out the entire month. So I'm going to get my pens ready. The green pen is if I came under budget for that particular item. And the black pen is if I came on target. And the red pen is if I was over budget rather. As it relates to my rollover, I don't know if that's what I rolled over with. But my income was, so I'm just put a question mark here because I just really don't know. My income was $13.15. I know that was correct. I did not deposit $1,000. I know that because I wanted to, because I wanted to, I'm doing something different. So I don't know the inflow, okay? I'm not going to stress myself out about it either. I did give my tithes. I did pay my mortgage. I did pay my HOA, or the money went into the account. The car insurance was paid. Hulu Disney was paid, $2.99. Amazon Prime was paid, $16.15. $31.99 was paid. Court was paid. Solar was paid, $83.54. Gas utility was paid, but the gas utility was paid on the 1st, which was like, I don't know why it came out on the 1st, but it was paid there. And where is my bill tracker? Oh, it's in March. Let me grab my bill tracker. Gas utility, $67.81. It was paid, but it was paid on the next pay period. Apple, $43.96 was paid, and then $15.49 that was paid. Groceries, I did take out $150. I did have some money left over, and the money that I had left over, I did put that in my savings challenge. Household, $60 was taken out. $60 was taken out for toiletries. And then as far as gas, I don't even know how much I spent for gas. So I don't know. Car registration, $13 was taken out. $20 was taken out for trash. Costco had the $5 and AAA had the $20. And for my savings, 80 was taken out and 55 was taken out. That I do know. So when I look at my bills, I want to make sure I count for everything. So here, water was not paid because it was not due. Life insurance was paid for February. Tax bill was paid. Car insurance was paid. Amazon Prime was paid. 24-hour fitness was paid. Hulu, solar, gas, court. I don't know why this wasn't for, that was paid in January. That's on auto pay. Apple was paid. Netflix. And trash bill will be due soon. Peacock. Okay. So everything was paid. The Capital One was paid in full in January. And then the personal loan. No, that's 82. Where's the personal loan? I know the personal loan's on here somewhere. I don't see the personal loan. How come the personal loan is not on here, guys? Let me look. Oh, here it is. Sorry now. Okay, so the personal loan was paid in February. That was paid in full. Okay. So I really love this sheet because I'm able to really see my progress. So I've paid off 3 things, which I've decreased my bills, which is one of my goals, by 3. So that's great. And hopefully I will be decreasing more bills. Yeah. So now we're here in March, and so far mortgage has been paid, HOA, internet cable has been paid, ADT has been paid, Sirius XM, electric has been paid, and water has been paid. Yeah, so those have been paid so far for March. Which I guess I was probably supposed to do that on my 1 week check-in, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So I'm gonna add this back here. Now I'm gonna take a look at any goals that I did have. And just let me check all of these off. I need to do a better job at that. Well, you know, we already know that February was crazy month. So now I'm gonna look at my actual goals for February to see how I did. The debt payoff journey, I did do that. I guess I can put here a note. I paid off my personal loan. So that did get worked on. I did not increase my income. My income actually decreased. The money that I made in February decreased. And low spend, I did not do the low spend. And rest, relax, didn't do. Perfect system. The system is perfected. I just need to do it consistently. And then gratitude. I do believe that I had gratitude. So I can put here, my granddaughter was born on February the 8th. So that's everything here. There was another sheet, this sheet right here. So water intake, I need to do better with that. Expense track, definitely need to do better with that. And then get moving, do better with that. So God's got you, do the work, have faith. And the last sheet here, debt journey. I did do this, increase income and low spend, didn't do that. And that was pretty much it for February. One of the exercises that I did do in February was I calculated how much money I need for in my buffer, and it's 2,070. If you haven't caught this video, I'll link it in the cards for you to check this video out. So if you're wondering how to calculate or add up how much money you need in your buffer and or your emergency fund, that's a great video for you to watch so that you can go through that same exercise yourself. February is over, okay? It's done and gone, okay? So that is everything for the closeout. I mean, I wouldn't really necessarily give myself a fail in a sense, because I know my tracking and everything is probably like a F minus, but I still had a pretty good month overall financially. I was able to pay off a credit card, not a credit card, but my personal loan, which was able to decrease money that I have to pay out every month. So it was actually a good month. I was able to take care of some things for my daughter and granddaughter who was born in February. So even though it doesn't like show it here in the book and tracking and everything, my bills, all of those were paid on time. So it was essentially still a good month that I did have in February. I'm excited about March. I'm excited about March Madness. Debt Free Friday starts this week. This Friday, join me on live on YouTube. It will be on YouTube, guys, where we will talk about debt. And Prayer Mondays starts this upcoming Monday as well, where we will be praying over our finances. So make sure that you guys are tuned in. And I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.